Okay, I want to take you on a tour of my first time having an in-ground garden. So I've got it fenced off that my dog can't go in. So we'll go inside the fence and have a look. All right. So I've got some strawberries in here. And they're looking pretty good. Got some celery along here that's coming along. And we're in about the middle of the season right now. And got tomatoes. They are coming. There's a few right there, and there's a few right there, so they're coming along. Got a couple of potato plants here. Now here I've got all my eggplant, and they're coming along nice. Got a few carrots came up in here, not too many, unfortunately. And I've got another little row of strawberries here. And I've got 2 rows of potatoes down through here. And I've got more strawberries here. Got one more tomato plant here. Rhubarb. Got some raspberries in here. Another one in here. A couple more tomatoes here. And some more raspberries in behind. Then I've got chamomile right here in front of these tomatoes. Got a couple of rows of onions here. And then right here I've got a few garlic plants. And right beside the potatoes, I've got some Swiss chard in here. And I've got a row here of asparagus. And they are new this year also and take a couple of years to mature. There's a few more here. And I've got this row right here beside of tall marigolds that haven't opened yet, but they will. And then beside, I've got a lot of spinach, and it's getting pretty big here and needs to be cut. Got some lettuce, and I've got beets. And down here, got some radishes. But they're all getting covered up by all of this squash. It's just gone wild. Anyway, I've got some corn right here. It's doing okay. And find our way through here a bit. In here, we got some cabbage. A couple more cabbage plants here. And you can see some of these squashes are starting. And inside this mess, there's probably a whole bunch more. It's got flowers all over. And it's spreading like crazy. In here, I've got nasturtiums, and they are very vibrant. They're doing very well, but again, getting overrun by the squash. Got another row of corn here. And a few more cabbages. And of course the cabbage moth wants to eat them. And then I have broccoli here, right along the front of the fence. And a row of it in here. And tucked in here, I got some cucumber. And here's another one. And another one. And the nasturtiums are full of flowers. And then beside the broccoli, I've got my dill. And more corn. And the other side, I've got some peas. And I've got a right there, that's a cantaloupe. And then I got 2 rows of beans here. And we're back to the beginning. And here on the other side of the squashes, I've got a few peppers down here. And there is also a watermelon under that. Okay, and I was just picking beans, and while doing so I found more tomatoes in there. And there's some more in there as well, you can see. So anyway, from my 2 rows of beans here and my few little pea plants, I was able to harvest these beans and just a handful of peas. So that's pretty good, I think, from those little rows and a few plants I've got. And for this being the first time this ground was turned into garden. Now, in behind my pond and waterfall here. I've got some pots with potatoes in them as well. I couldn't fit all the potatoes into the garden space, so I finished them off into these pots, and this one here looks like it's ready to pull up and enjoy. So, as you've seen, I've got quite a bit of stuff in this garden space. It's not a huge space. It's really only about 14 by 24. So there's a lot in there. And like I said, all of this squash stuff here in the middle, it's really spreading out all over the place. And I should trim back some of the greenery and put the energy of the plant into the fruits. So I'll do that, and hopefully we'll get a bunch of fruits. That would be awesome. And that would help to free that watermelon up too that's hidden under there. And I'll have to go in and clean up these peas and beans, wash them up and clip the ends, and it should be good to eat. So anyway, just thought it might be interesting to show what all can be put into a compact garden for the first time it's made into a garden even. So I'm enjoying doing all of this. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please leave a like. And if you want to leave a comment, go ahead. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.